harvest time in Minnesota. Farmers are working long days from sunrise to sunset, gathering huge crops before the long winter. And in a much different kind of garden, the harvest time work takes only a matter of minutes.
It doesn't look like much lettuce, but then when you actually look at it in the bin, how much is really there?
What seems like a small crop is really a big deal.
If we use 1 or 2 pieces of lettuce for each sandwich, how many sandwiches this is?
This lettuce is grown by students for students,
Carolyn, I got some really neat lettuce for you.
delivered straight to the lunchroom.
The leaf lettuce actually looks better than lettuce that we get outside of the school here.
It's actually really good. If you wash it a little bit, it's awesome.
For these 7th graders at Central Middle School in Wayzata, experiments in growing things are also about nutrition and teamwork.
You all had to agree on which plant you wanted to grow and help each other build or plant it, so it was teamwork in that sense.
If one thing does something wrong, then you kind of rely on the other person to help you fix it. So if you getting too much water or sun, you kind of gotta help. The other person has to help you know where to put it.
It was awesome in a sense because we'd plant the seeds on Friday, we'd water them a lot, and then on Monday they'd be a few inches big, and we'd see quite a few sprouts coming in, so it was fun to see that.
This school greenhouse hadn't been used for years until Culinary Express, the district's nutrition services, led efforts to renovate and reopen it. Now, a hands-on curriculum takes life sciences to a new level.
One of the aspects of life science that are important is looking at what do you need to do to stay alive and keep healthy. And by raising the food in the greenhouse, we could see firsthand all the work that it took to raise plants and raise food that then go into. So not only did we look at the life cycle and life science aspect of it, but then just the nutrition aspect.
They're going to ask us more questions. They're going to find out what we use the lettuce for. They're going to let me know if they like the lettuce, how it tastes, how it looks. I think it's a great deal.
With lettuce served up right at school, students get a taste of learning while also growing the movement for more fresh, local foods in school lunches.
I think that's good because it's like fresher rather than getting it from like Florida or something where it has to be shipped.
I think that's pretty cool because I didn't really know we had a greenhouse, and I think that's really cool. Yeah.
And it's as fresh as it gets, school grown, better than just any taste of Minnesota.